The MBA International is a postgraduate business program for people who are trying to really understand what business is all about. It's providing students a great broad range of the functional areas of business. Secondly, it's allowing students to specialize in a whole range of different areas. It provides people, particularly international students, with a great insight into Australian business, the Australian economy, and facilitates a pathway for them to experience life and work in Australia. The MBA International is a 2-year program. Everything is delivered face-to-face. We have world-class academics who are recognized leaders in their field, have a great practical experience, great industry experience. So it's not just learning the theories and the concepts, you're learning how it's applied in the real world. Students will cover a whole range of business courses to give a really broad base of education. And then for students who are selecting a specialization, the opportunity to really focus on a key area, whether that's marketing or something like project management. So there's a great opportunity to specialize in a range of different areas here. Adelaide is a great place to study an MBA. It's got a very diverse economy, and that's very important because it means there's a lot of job opportunities in a lot of different areas. Not many other cities in the world offer the same diversity of economy within what is a relatively small place and a very safe and welcoming environment. The community that you're a part of within an MBA is really important. The people in the room, the diversity in the room just augments the learning experience. So that's a really important part, that interaction that you get within face-to-face programs. Maybe the best part is the enthusiasm that everyone has. There's the ambition of having a great career sort of starts in the classroom. And that's something that's it's great to be a part of.